The M4 survival rifle was a .22 caliber bolt-action rifle developed during World War II as part of the survival gear stored under the seat of American military aircraft. It was designed to give downed aircrew a survival weapon for foraging wild game for food. History. The M4 was developed from the Harrington and Richardson bolt-action M265 sporting rifle, adapted to a sheet metal frame with telescoping wire buttstock, a 14-inch detachable barrel chambered for .22 Hornet and the 4-shot detachable box magazine of the Savage Stevens M23D .22 Hornet sporting rifle. The M4 weighs approximately 4 pounds and with barrel detached and telescoping stock closed makes a 14-inch overall package. Due to the possible use of the M4 by downed aircrew as a combat weapon, military-issue ammunition in .22 Hornet was loaded with full metal jacket bullets to comply with the Hague Convention barring use of expanding bullets in warfare. It was later determined by the U.S. Air Force that exigent circumstances and self-defense would have exempted soft-point ammunition from that provision. In the 1950s, the M4 was supplanted by the M6 aircrew survival weapon and the M4 was phased out along with the decommissioning of the aircraft containing M4 as part of their survival package. The Armalite AR-5, Ma-1, was approved as a replacement for the M4 but no significant quantities of the AR-5 were procured, as there were sufficient numbers of M4 and M6 in inventory to meet U.S. Air Force needs. Type rifle. Place of origin United States. Service history. Used by USAF, U.S. Air Force. Production history. Manufacturer Harrington and Richardson. Produced 1949. No built 29,344. Specifications. Weight approximate 4 pounds, 1.8 kilograms. Barrel length 14 inches, 36 centimeters, barrel. Caliber .22 Hornet. Action bolt action. Feed system 4-shot detachable box magazine. Sights blade front, peep rear.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.